Hey, welcome to MoFitMeals. I'm excited. I actually am borrowing my friend's stand-up mixers, my neighbors, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, what am I gonna make? What am I gonna make? Because I have to give it back. And today I'm gonna make protein fluff. And I remember I enjoyed it so much. It was filling, it's high in protein. It cooled me off because it's kind of like a whipped cream kind of magical potion. And today I thought, let's make it together. Now, I found this recipe from a YouTuber who found it from another YouTuber and so on and so forth. But I want to give credit where credit's due, so I'll put his link down below so that you can see his magic potion too. Okay, so for our protein fluff, here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need protein. I'm using Pro7ein Synthesis by Vitasport. It's chocolate flavored. The recipe suggests to use a casein protein, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna try it with this and let's hope for the best and see how it works out. But chocolate flavored. Next, you need a can of low-calorie soda, like a diet soda. I'm going to use Zevia cream soda. It's my favorite. It's made and sweetened by stevia, and it tastes like a creamy Dr. Pepper. My mouth's watering right now. I'm excited. Anyway, we're gonna use this. It's gonna keep it low calorie and help our fluff. Then, for thickening and help it fluff, Xanthan Gum. I'm not sure if you guys have used this before, maybe even have heard of it. It's typically a thickening agent. It's used for gluten-free recipes. In this case, it says that it's used for breads, for thickening gravies, for sauces, for dressings. It even has a recipe for pizza crust. But we're gonna use this, it's calorie-less. I found this at Walmart. I do know that Whole Foods, Sprouts, all those stores will have this as well. So Xanthan Gum. I'm going to spice it up and give it some flavor with some cinnamon throughout the whole whipping up process. And then finally, just because I'm curious, I'm going to add a drop of maple extract. I might even have to add maybe a packet of my Pyure sweetener just to sweeten it up a little bit and give me that dessert feeling. Okay, let's try it. Yay! I'm borrowing this. I want mine so bad. I'm giving it a whirl. It's my neighbor's and I'm so excited I can use it. So I have my bowl and I'm gonna hopefully do this right, but it's supposedly gonna help us make this whip much easier, only because it'll like stand up and it'll do my mixing for me, and then I don't have to stand here and do it myself. So anyway, here's our stand-up mixer. Okay, so in the bowl I put 20 grams of my chocolate protein, and then I put 6 grams of the Xanthan Gum. Now I'm gonna hook it up to my nifty gadget, and then we're gonna put it in the paddle, and it's just gonna kind of mix it up, and I'll show you what I do from there. Okay, so I attached it. I have my protein and my Xanthan Gum in here, and I'm gonna kind of just put it on, and then pour I'm gonna put some of my Zevia. Okay, this has been going for like a long time. I put a timer for 5 minutes. It's starting to fluff up, and then I'm gonna add, another couple minutes and see how it goes. But I'm excited. It's like a big fluffy whippy yumminess. And I just added a sprinkle of pink salt to bring up the flavors, to round it out. And then I put in Pyure sweetener to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. I smell maple, I smell cinnamon. Look how fluffy. Looks like whipped cream. Okay. Oh my gosh, just like my YouTuber said, I'm gonna fill up the whole bowl. And here it is. I topped it off with low-calorie Ready Whip, and I sprinkled in some more cinnamon. So excited. You guys have to try this. Be creative. Use your own type of diet soda. Mix your own flavors. I'm gonna just go mow this up, eat it, and then I'll tell you how full I am after later. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. And remember, stay Mo Fit.